Hi guys, let's create a new project. Tap on this button, select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Now we are inside our main project. Go to Overlay, Video. Then here we have a 30-second countdown overlay. You can download it from the video description. Suppose you want 15-second countdown, so split around 15 seconds. Delete the extra part. Tap, hold, drag. Go to background. Chroma key. Drag the point over the color you want to remove. Adjust the range. Resize and reposition the timer. And that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.